So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, Bitcoin is flashing us a very interesting scenario. A scenario which is pointing us where the price in the immediate short term, where the price for the upcoming days might be possibly heading. So before I start talking about it, before I jump into the content, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to trade with free money, then the time to act is now. First thing first, let's look at this ascending broadening wedge formation, because according to this ascending broadening wedge, after breaking out of this upper trend line, Bitcoin was supposed to continue with this uptrend with price objective in between 67 to 70,000, but it failed. You can see it failed to find support above this upper trend line, which even rejected us while trying to break above it, and now it is resulting in a bearish move. So will this play out or not? Because according to this ascending broadening wedge, it is a bullish continuation pattern after breaking out of the upper trend line, but the price right now is showing weakness. So if this here is going to result in a corrective move, where could the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term be heading, and what kind of formation are we expecting after that? I mean, if the price of Bitcoin starts showing weakness after failing to find support of this upper trend line and shows another continuation like this to the downside, please be aware, this pullback could be a temporary pullback. I mean, price in the medium short term could get attracted around this 0.5-0.600 Fibonacci line, and as soon as we reach around that area, I am expecting another bullish continuation like this to play out. And why are we expecting Bitcoin to show another continuation after some pullback? Because parallelly, you can see that could be a retest from this double bottom neckline. Yes, guys, this double bottom neckline rejected us in the past price action. This line got broken, and now this pullback here could be just a temporary pullback, just like as shown here in an example. You can see on the right hand side, after breaking out from this neckline, you can see after breaking out from this neckline, it started with this bullish move, but this bullish move came back for a retest, which flipped into support, and only after that we had this actual bullish continuation playing out, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation. So this pullback here could simply be looked as a retest, price of Bitcoin coming back to test the previous temporary line, and right after that we are expecting another continuation like this to play out. I mean, price after this pullback, price after getting attracted towards this 0.5-0.600 Fibonacci line could be preparing itself for another bullish move, because we are aware that could be just a retest from this 21-week EMA. Yes, guys, this 21-week EMA in a weekly time frame will be acting as additional support, and pullback around that area would be simply looked as a retest, price coming back to test some key line of support before starting with an actual bullish move. Because this crossover, what we are witnessing here, green line appearing above this orange line, I mean 21-week EMA above 50-week EMA, has resulted in some very bullish move in past price action. And since this here is also a bullish crossover, we are expecting this continuation to continue. I mean, this higher highs, higher lows continuation to continue once we overcome this key line of resistance, which is holding us around 70,000. Yes, guys, this 70,000 for now will be looked as our price objective, because in a 4-hour time frame we have already broken out of this upper trend line from this symmetrical triangle, which is considered bullish. And if you look here on the right hand side, you can see pullback after breaking out is absolutely normal. I mean, Bitcoin could be also doing a very similar move, show a continuation like this, come back to this some key line of support, right, and then finally begin with this actual bullish continuation. Because we are aware, guys, we are aware the pullback around this trend line means just the retest. Because if you look to the right hand side, this example, falling with example, a bullish continuation pattern, even after breaking out from this upper trend line, we had few pullbacks, but this was very short-lived. I mean, the pullback was very short-lived, and right after that we started with this new bullish move. So same thing could be happening in our case as well. Price of Bitcoin, after coming back to some of the key line of support, could be preparing itself for a new impulsive move, because we are aware, guys, beside this falling wedge, beside this symmetrical triangle breakout, beside this double bottom breakout, we are also forming this descending broadening wedge, another bullish continuation in a weekly time frame. And if you look at this weekly candle, slowly this weekly candle looks like getting attracted towards the upper trend line from this descending broadening wedge, which in the past price action has acted as a strong line of resistance. Yes, guys, this upper trend line has acted as a strong line of resistance, but in the medium short term, after sideways move, we are expecting this trend line to be retested one more time before choosing an actual trend direction. But I showed you with so many different examples. After testing this key line of resistance, there is a very, very high probability of breaking it. Yes, guys, this descending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern, will be playing out after retesting some of the key line of support and after breaking out some of the key line of resistance. I mean, in the medium short term, even if the price shows a continuation like this, please do not panic. That might be a retest, and price after that could be preparing itself for another bullish continuation like this, because once we get attracted towards the upper trend line, I personally think Bitcoin in that case will be also forming a new higher highs. I mean, this is a lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern, and since this here is a higher lows, now we could be forming another higher highs, and price after that could be following this higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation. Because right now in a weekly time frame, you can see even the indicators are turning bullish. I mean, if you look at this RSI has started to jump over 50 in a weekly time frame. MACD in a weekly is about to form a bullish crossover, and T3CCI indicator has also started to appear in a positive territory. And if you look to the past price action, whenever we saw these indicators showing bullish move, I mean, we had one similar move here. MACD had a bullish cross. Before that, we started seeing this RSI line above 50, right? And T3CCI also appearing in a positive territory, which resulted in a very, very bullish move, and price was also able to form a new all-time high. So I am actually expecting a similar move to play out here as well. Price of Bitcoin after this bearish move now could be preparing itself for another continuation to form a new all-time high, because we know parallelly after breaking out of this key trend line resistance, we could be also breaking out from this handle, the cup and handle formation, a bullish continuation pattern which is being flashed in a weekly time frame. So as soon as this key line of resistance gets broken, you can see we parallelly could be also following with a new bullish move. I mean, this cup and handle here in a weekly time frame is a bullish continuation pattern, and after breaking out of this handle part, we are expecting Bitcoin to start with an actual bullish continuation, because in a monthly time frame, beside this cup and handle, even this falling wedge, another bullish continuation pattern is lining up perfectly. Once this monthly candle finds proper support above this upper trend line, which in history has been looked as one very, very bearish trend line for Bitcoin, will get invalidated, and right after that we could be preparing ourselves for another continuation like this. I mean, more of higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation. So looking into different scenarios, looking into different time frames, we can clearly see Bitcoin is preparing itself for another continuation here to the upside. But before that, please prepare yourself for some retest. Bitcoin coming back to test the neckline, Bitcoin coming back to test the support from this 0.5, 0.600 Fibonacci line, support from this 21-week EMA liquidating the overall average longs, and right after that start with an actual bullish continuation. So this is what I wanted to share with you, looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to trade with free money, take advantage of this market volatility, then do check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.